In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Pinterest history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review what you've been looking at on Pinterest, so you can easily revisit pins, confirm what's shaping your recommendations, and keep your browsing organized. First, go to Pinterest. If you're on a computer, open your browser and head to pinterest.com. If you're using the app, just open it as usual. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so the history you see matches your activity. Once you're in, you should be on your home feed, which shows a mix of pins tailored to your interests. Next, click on the highlight. In the guide you're following, a specific spot on the screen is highlighted to show exactly where to click. It's in the top right area of Pinterest, where you access account and personalization controls. Clicking there opens a menu that leads to settings related to your feed and recommendations. From that menu, click on Refine Your Recommendations. This area is where Pinterest lets you tune what you see, based on your past activity and saved interests. It's helpful because Pinterest uses your browsing and engagement to decide what to surface on your home feed, and this page gives you visibility into that process. Once you're in, click on Activity. This is the section that shows your recent browsing on Pinterest. You'll find a timeline of interactions, such as pins you viewed, searches you performed, and other on-platform activity that influences your recommendations. Think of it like a quick reference sheet for what you've explored recently. If you spot a pin you meant to save, this is the place to find it again. If you're trying to understand why you're seeing certain suggestions, your activity gives helpful context. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. If the layout looks a little different on your device, look for the same wording, refine your recommendations, and then the activity option within that area. If you don't see certain items you expected, keep in mind that activity history may be time limited and only includes what you did while signed in. Also, as you keep browsing Pinterest, this section updates, so it's worth checking back when you need to retrace your steps. When you find something you want to keep, save it to a board so it's easy to access later without relying on history. That's it. You've gone to Pinterest, opened the highlighted menu, selected Refine Your Recommendations, and viewed your activity. Now you know exactly where your Pinterest history lives and how to use it.